We got the big robot here.
Robots are really handy.
This robot come really handy. Transforming time, Ryan.
Hola, amigo.
We got a late special delivery for our little special boy, Super Ryan. We got Super Wing, remote control, special delivery. Hey Ryan! What's up, dude? What are you doing?
I want to see my Super Wing price. The Super Wing toy.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
What's that?
Not yet.
We got a special delivery.
There's a surprise right here.
What are you looking for?
Surprise.
No, it's not there. Where?
Right here.
Come on, dude. Somebody's at the door.
Oh, right there. Right here.
No.
Hey, there's a man.
No, it's not there.
There's over here. There's a man.
Somebody's at the door. Special delivery! Oh, look at that! What do we have here? Go inside. Let's go inside.
Look, she's holding it.
Oh,
He's holding it.
that's teamwork.
Look, he's holding it.
That's teamwork right
Look,
there.
he's holding it.
What is it, Rain?
The Super Wing.
What do you have?
Look. He's gonna make a wheel too.
Oh, wow! We got remote control jet from Super Wing. It spins 360 degrees. It has light and sound.
Look, Mama, easy.
Wow!
I want this
We
one.
can also get Dizzy, Donnie, Jet, and Jerome.
Nice, baby, nice.
Wow! We gotta collect them all, dude. You like it? You like your new special delivery toy
Mama,
from Super Wing?
Mama, this one.
You want DC?
Yes.
Okay, we'll get DC for you.
Okay.
Wow, dude. Looks fun. Let's open it and let's have some fun, right, Ryan?
See me do the unboxing.
We're gonna do the unboxing. Whoa! Look at that, Ryan. It's fly time!
Again. It's fly time.
It's fly time!
Fly time.
Good job. We got the remote here.
Look.
Oh, spinning, dude! Super Jet! Special delivery!
What?
Oh, dude, so cool! Whoa! Special delivery! Come on, Super Jet! Hey, where you going, Super Jet? Whoa!
Super Wings, the friend.
Oh, we got two Super Jets! Whoa!
The friends.
They're friends. On time, every time. Who said that, Ryan? Ryan?
Look.
Yeah, you're crushing Jet. Whoa! Oh! Good, Ryan. Oh, so cool, dude.
It flies too.
Oh, they're in circles. Hey, they're in circles. On time, every time. Hey, Super Wing, how do you do that? I want to do that too.
You are
Hey, Super Wing, where are you going?
nowhere. My just.
So we got three Super Wings. We got the baby, we got the brother, we got the big brother Super Wings, and we got the little brothers over here. That's Ryan's Super Wings collection. Yeah, I'm going easy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's flight time, Ryan. Who's your favorite Super Wing?
DC.
DC? And this is this one? Oh no, the pink one. You like the pink one. This is Mira. Hey, Super Jett, you're so big. Yeah, Super Wing. Super Jett, how do you do that? I want to be big like you. Thank you, Grand Albert. You just gotta eat a lot so you can grow big like me.
No.
Right now we're gonna go help out our friend that it's in trouble. Let's go help him out, Grand Albert. Go help him out, Ryan. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Super Jett. You're welcome. On time, every time.
Let's go back to the Super Wings.
Where are you going, Ryan? You gonna go back to the Super Wings?
Yeah.
Yeah. Special delivery. It's flight time, Ryan. Whoa. Whoa, Super Wing, flight time. Where are you going, Super Jett? Whoa. 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 On time, every time.
Look,
Oh no, it's dark. It's dark for Super Wing.
lights.
Oh, yes, lights too. Let's see. Whoa.
Fly it. Put it to fly. Put it to fly.
Whoa. On time, every time, right? Let's go to the room. Landing time. Yeah, you did it, Super Wing. You're the best.
Here. Subscribe to your channel.
What channel?
Super.
Yeah. Remember, kids, subscribe to Super Ryan Toy Channel. We're always doing super fun videos. In today's video, we did the Super Wing remote control car from Super Wings. Look at that.
Let's make more.
You like Super Wing?
Yes. Let's make more videos.
And we're gonna be doing more, a lot of Super Wing videos.
More.
Whoa!